Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss how to find the derivative of implicit functions. First of all, we will discuss what is explicit and implicit function. When a relationship between x and y, it is expressed in a way that it is easy to solve for y and write y equal to fx, then y is called the explicit function of x. Means if you are able to write y in terms of x, then it is an explicit function. Like here in the first case, y can be written as x minus pi. So it is an explicit function. In this second one case, you cannot separate this xy. So here y cannot be written as in the form of x. So it is an implicit function. So we will discuss how to find their derivative. Now here y plus sin y is equal to cos x. So here also this is an implicit function. Here y cannot be expressed in terms of x. So we can differentiate it directly and with respect to x. So it becomes dy by dx plus the derivative of sin y. It is a function of y, so here we will use the chain rule. First differentiate it with respect to x. With respect to y, it becomes cos y, and then differentiate y with respect to x. So it becomes cos y dy by dx. And the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Then after taking common from these dy by dx common from these two terms, we get dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y. And y should not be the odd multiple of pi, because if it is odd multiple of pi, its value becomes minus 1, which makes the denominator 0 and it becomes undefined. So next one is, this is the first question of the exercise. We have to find dy by dx, so we can differentiate it with respect to x. We can, the derivative of x is 1 here, 2 is constant, so the derivative of 2x becomes 2. Here we have y, and y is a function of x, so its derivative will be 3 dy by dx, and the derivative of sin x is cos x, and then we can write 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2, and from here we get dy by dx equal cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Next is xy plus y square equal 10x plus y. Here the first term is a product of two terms, so we will use the product rule to differentiate it, and the product rule is first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So the derivative of xy becomes x into dy by dx plus y, और x का derivative 1 हो जाएगा, and the derivative of y square becomes 2y. पहले y के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करा, लेकिन y x का फंक्शन है तो चेन रूल अप्लाई करेंगे, सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय dy by dx. और राइट साइड पे 10x का डिफरेंशिएशन sec स्क्वायर x और प्लस y था, और y का डिफरेंशिएशन dy by dx. Now collect all the terms containing dy by dx on one side and the other terms on the right side. तो x का डेरिवेटिव तो 1 हो गया, so it becomes y, ट्रांसफर करेंगे राइट साइड में, माइनस y हो गया. अब आप इसमें से dy by dx कॉमन लीजिए, and after taking dy by dx common, we are left with x plus 2y minus 1 in the bracket. So dy by dx equal sec square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. Next one, x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81. When we differentiate it with respect to x, तो यहाँ x cube का differentiation 3x square x टू द पावर n का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है nx स्क्वायर, nx टू द पावर n माइनस वन। तो यहाँ n की प्लेस पे आपके पास 3 है, सो इट्स डिफरेंशिएशन इज 3x टू द पावर 3 माइनस वन मीन्स 3x स्क्वायर। सेकेंड और थर्ड टर्म में हमें प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई करना होगा क्योंकि यहाँ दो टर्म्स का प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है। तो जब प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई करेंगे तो एक्स स्क्वायर वाई का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, फर्स्ट फंक्शन इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड, प्लस सेकेंड फंक्शन दैट इज वाई multiplied by derivative of the first that is x square. Similarly, the third term x into derivative of y square plus y square into derivative of x first plus y क्यूब का डिफरेंशिएशन, पहले तो y के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो 3y स्क्वायर, लेकिन y x का फंक्शन है सो चेन रूल अप्लाई करेंगे सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय dy बाय dx। x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 हो गया और यहाँ एक्स स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x, वाई स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2y in multiplied by dy by dx. Now collect all the terms containing dy by dx on one side. Then within bracket we have x square plus 2xy plus 3y square and transfer the remaining terms on other side and then we can find dy by dx as minus can be taken common. So 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So that's all for today. Thank you.